Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. A 12-inch miter saw stands as a powerful and versatile tool in the realm of woodworking and construction, offering precision, efficiency, and cutting capacity that meets the demands of both amateur enthusiasts and seasoned professionals. Renowned for its ability to make precise angled cuts and miters, the best 12-inch miter saw is a cornerstone in workshops and job sites alike. This formidable tool boasts a larger blade diameter compared to its smaller counterparts, allowing it to tackle a wide array of materials with ease. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 3, DeWalt. The DeWalt 12-inch double-bevel sliding compound miter saw stands as a pinnacle of precision and durability in the world of miter saws, offering a myriad of features that cater to the needs of both professional craftsmen and avid DIY enthusiasts. This review will delve into the key attributes that make this saw a standout in its category. Accuracy redefined. One of the standout features of the DeWalt miter saw is its double stainless steel miter detent plate with 14 positive stops. On number 2, Skill 10-inch Dual. The Skill 10 Dual Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw, MS6305, is a versatile and accurate tool equipped with a 10-inch blade, allowing it to handle various cutting tasks. Its dual bevel sliding design enables cuts from both sides, facilitating precise angle adjustments. The inclusion of a laser guide enhances accuracy by projecting a beam for alignment. Positive miter and bevel stops simplify angle adjustments, while adjustable height and a dust collector contribute to a cleaner work area. With 15 amps of power, this saw is robust enough for tough cuts. On number 1, Bosch GCM12SD. The Bosch GCM12SD 12-inch corded dual-bevel sliding miter saw stands out as an excellent choice for large woodworking projects, offering a combination of convenience and substantial cutting capacity. This dual-bevel sliding miter saw is designed with user-friendly features that enhance the ease of cutting and beveling tasks. Key features and specifications. Dual-bevel sliding design eliminates the need to flip materials, enhancing efficiency. In the realm of woodworking and construction, the best 12-inch miter saw emerges as a paramount tool, seamlessly blending power, precision, and versatility to elevate cutting tasks to new heights. As we navigated through the top contenders, one standout exemplar, the DeWalt 12-inch double-bevel sliding compound miter saw, showcased the epitome of what this category has to offer. Boasting a double stainless steel miter detent plate with 14 positive stops, the DeWalt miter saw stood as a beacon of accuracy, ensuring repeatable precision and durability on bustling work sites. So guys, this was the video about the best 12-inch miter saw. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.